Take it down to reception and have a cereal bar and just sit and chill. Just wait for a bit. So yeah, say goodbye to my room 609. In the Blue Mountains. It's raining. So it's very foggy.
You can hear the waterfall. Oh, wow.
Got to walk over there, under a cave, and it's like rain, waterfall. Past the waterfall. This normally isn't underwater, so
Beautiful.
Where the Three Sisters are, the mountains, but it's so foggy you can't see them. So I'm gonna buy a postcard and pretend I've seen them.
Can't fit them near the Sydney Harbour Bridge. If they're small enough to go under the Sydney Harbour Bridge, they actually dock them out to the left, just over here, past where you see that big industrial vessel. And then as we go over a giant coat hanger, and then as we get a little bit further over the Anzac Bridge, start looking out to the right.
The Blue Mountains. It was rainy, but it was quite fun. It was like an adventure. And now we're just gonna get showered, changed. I actually feel human, clean hair, makeup. I'm gonna fill up my drink, but yeah, we went to the Blue Mountains. It was rainy, we didn't really see very much, but it was still a fun walk. We saw some like waterfalls that like aren't usually there because it's usually not raining like that. So yeah, it was good. Going out for dinner and some drinks this evening, and then tomorrow it's like a Sydney city day and bridge climb. In the rain, lunch, came back, went out for food, and then we went for a walk. We were going to go see fireworks, but it started raining, so we're going to go down to the bar in the hostel for a bit, and then end the night there, I think.